Hello everyone. Take a section from the front, add multiple rubber bands and sections on the side and the front. Then take a section at the back, tie a ponytail out of it. Add a hair twine to it and then wrap the hair into a bun accordingly. Adjust the decorative portion as required. Make 2 braids at the bottom. Tie a ponytail, divide the hair into 2 parts and make 2 braids out of it. Once you are done with this, twist the braids and then wrap it up one around the other as such. Then add a decorative rubber band to it. Twist the ending outwards. Next, take a section from the front, add a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself, make a braid out of it on either side. Join both these braids at the back in the center. Take 2 more sections from either side, join it at the back in the center, and then repeat the step 2 or 3 more times. Once you reach the base, make a normal braid out of it, add 2 decorative clips on either side. Next, we'll be starting by adding a decorative bow, a ribbon, to the hair at the top. Using the ribbon as a section, make a braid out of it. As you proceed with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair from the rest of the scalp before the central parting, depending on the respective side. Now, lift the braid up and then fasten it in this place using a bobby pin. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side of one side of the scalp, tie a rubber band in the middle and roll the hair in on itself. Repeat the step right underneath it once more, and once you reach the base, begin to braid the hair. Roll this braid upwards and then tie it up in place using a decorative rubber band. Next, in order to make this design, divide the hair into 3 parts, make 3 ponytails. At the top, add a decorative bow with 2 ribbons to it. Using both the ribbons as 2 sections of the braid, make 2 braids out of it. After you are done, add it to the 2 ponytails on the side, make another braid out of it, lift it up and tie it up. Thank you for watching.